How are you guys doing? My name is Micah David. I am a filmmaker and photographer, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free editing software. I want to give DxO Photolab 8 to you guys in the form of a giveaway. Yeah, I'm not gonna just 50 free copies. No, I'm not there yet. Yeah, no. So 2024, last year, I had a goal to myself to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And by the way things were looking, it was kind of shaky. Like, I wasn't sure if I was gonna reach it. I was trying to compromise myself. You know, whose deadline really is this? Is this mine? Okay, it's fine, I can blow it off, da 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 da. But I reached that goal. I even doubled it, like I surpassed it twice. You know, I reached 1,000 subscribers 2 times in the same year. So I went from about 700 subscribers to 2,100 subscribers by the end of the year. And, you know, looking at me now, we're halfway through the year now, and it's like I haven't gone too much ahead, and that is completely my fault. I haven't been doing my best on YouTube, but I've been doing a whole lot of other things that I really can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, that's what's been going on lately. Just want to give you my little spiel. It is drastically different from when I first started this YouTube channel. I was in a whole different place. I was just kind of really getting started on my filmmaking career. Like, doing that change, that transition from, you know, kind of being into it, having one foot in, one foot out, to full on dipping all 10 toes into that cold water. Making this channel inspired me from going to just talking about things to actually doing them, to actually wanting to show you guys how to do these things rather than telling you. And that pushed me to like start creating a whole lot more. You know, I made my last video collaborating with DxO. Thank you guys so much again. They're the ones who also helped with this project. I always wanted to do this giveaway project, but I had no idea what to give away. But DxO helped me out and was like, hey, if you want, you know, we can give you a little something so you can make this project happen. And I feel bad because it's kind of been like a month or 2 since they gave it to me, but I've just been so much busy with all this stuff. But then again, I really thank DxO for making this possible. And I thank you guys for making it possible for DxO to contact me. Get me at this status where DxO can contact me. So I thank you guys so much again for that. You guys are the real reason why I'm here. So as for what's next, I want to make more videos. Of course, this year it's halfway point and I haven't been doing a good job. Only 2 videos out this year. I'm sorry. Trying to get my schedule on point so where I can batch record. For those of you who don't know, batch recording is kind of having this itinerary or this list of videos that you want to do, filming all the videos in like one day, for a specific blocked out amount of time. You would edit them all and then you'll put them out later on. Okay, so here is how you enter the giveaway. I have it all written here. So first, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Yeah, you've seen that one coming. So you need to be subscribed to the channel. You need to like and comment. And when you comment, comment done. That's quotation mark D-O-N-E, quotation mark, done. And once you comment, don't be afraid to leave something a little bit extra. You don't need to leave done, period. It's like, imagine I'm like, okay guys, put your tickets in this bucket, and that one done period guy just comes up to me just, and I'm like, sheesh, dude. It's your problem. And also, when you put your comment down, make sure to include your Instagram account. This is how I'm gonna contact you if you won. Big if you won. And for a bonus entry, if you guys kind of want like 2 ticket entries rather than just that one, another thing you could do is follow my Instagram. So then I'll be able to pair it up. You comment here, it's my Instagram account. I look on Instagram, I see I got a follower. I'm like, okay, these 2 align. He gets another entry. So I'm most likely gonna be looking for those ones. To end it off, I just wanna say again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to see where we go and where you guys will take me next. And yeah, I have a lot of exciting stuff that I really want to share to you guys and everything. And yeah, I mean, there's not really much else to say aside than let's keep this going. All right, well, thank you. I love you. And I'll see you in the next video.